Hello everyone, what's up, it's been some time again, but we are here to discuss about the next Launchpad project. In the meantime, Hatom is flying. I saw that 2.5, but it seems that it's not gonna stop, so we will see. However, today we are going to talk about the next xLaunchpad project because it was announced on X Day.
And yes, we will be the next xLaunchpad.
We didn't talk about it, and I just made some quick research to see what it is about, which is the scenario or which is the narrative they want to build on, and whether this is a good or not so good project, because we need to know where we put our money. So yeah, let's start. Still no intro, but yeah, let's start. So as you can see here, TaDa is a mobile application, and they say data collection is boring, we make it easy and sexy. That's good. We like sexy and easy, obviously. Now, I also watched the keynote from William Simonin, excuse my French, excusez-moi, and it's quite interesting, to be honest. I mean, at this moment, we don't really need to say this is a bad project or this is a good project, because I think we can distinguish after so many years what is a scam and what is not. So I don't really need to make the full check of a project, you know, about website and everything. And obviously the being on the X Day stage, it also gives many confidence. So today we are going to talk about what they do, what they build on, and is this narrative something which we are interested in or it's not. And I can tell you from the first that this application doesn't look bad at all. And the narrative is very familiar because it is coming from the same person who built the foremost or one of the most popular companies in the world. Elon Musk, obviously, yes, because they are collecting data. So what happened? What they did, and William actually covers it here, you know, how they started in 2015 with the first company and how they tried to build out a new Siri type of thing. The market gap which they faced, or they are still facing, is that there is no quality data. Okay, that is what the problem is. There is no quality data, and they want to offer data. Now, this is the same thing what Tesla does, because everybody was thinking that Tesla is not making revenue because they don't sell many cars. However, Tesla was building for the next decade, okay, or the next century, by collecting data from autonomous driving with their cars. And then, obviously, they can sell that data. I don't know if they sell it right now or not, but the concept is that, okay, we collect data because data and information is the new petrochemical, okay, it's the new oil. Therefore, and this is going on for, I don't know, so many years, maybe for the last decade. Now, what William really highlighted in his speech is that even when they bought data and when they need, I don't know, data for a speech assistant in a certain language, he mentioned Romanian because they were in Romania, obviously, they need to pay like $100,000 for 1,000 speeches or 1,000 audio samples. And the thing is that even buying those, the data is not useful or not usable in most of the times. And that is the key here, to offer quality data. Therefore, what the project does with this software or this application is that you will get paid to give data, okay, for your data, meaning that you see something and you want to say something, or you upload a photo and you will just provide good data. However, this is not all. It's not just like you are giving them some voice samples, some photos, some videos, and then that's all. You are done and you got paid. Because the next step obviously is the validation, is when somebody listens to that or somebody checks that photo, somebody watches the video and ticks out, you know, how good is the quality. He mentioned, for example, that for voice assistant, they need lots of voice samples with good quality. And if you just record something in my apartment right now, and you probably can hear some, there's a construction. Therefore, when you ask Siri that, hey Siri, how should I make pancakes? And Siri tells you how you should make pancakes, but in the meantime, constructions are in the background. It's a bit confusing, and maybe that's not the best quality of data which you want. Therefore, what TaDa does, in simple terms, they will pay you to give some data, whether that be picture, video, voice, or whatever. They will get it checked by validators, okay, probably, I mean, 100% validators also get paid to check the data. And when that is done, and when they have the good quality data, they will simply sell it, okay? That is going to be the revenue. And let's just remember that right now we are in the new era of AI. We see all kind of AI application or AI-based applications pop up, and everybody is craving for data because that's how you train AI, okay? You need a lot of data to train. William also explained that in the keynote. Therefore, the idea to have some good data which you can sell, and probably everybody will want to buy it, because if you have a good product and you have a good narrative, then yeah, why wouldn't you? I don't think that something else will just come into the world, you know, which will just push AI away. Therefore, yes, I do think that this project is interesting and it's also good. And since they started from 2015, it's not really just a startup, you know, which just popped up 2 months ago and now they want to get launched, okay? It seems to me from the keynote, from how the guy talks, that they do have some experience behind them and they know what they are doing. Here are some use cases, by the way, that they cover. It's voice, computer vision, and text. So chatbots, conversational, NLP, emotion, parallel, corpora. I mean, do you know how many times you talk to a robot? I mean, you probably know, but whenever you call a bank, whenever you call whatever customer support, everybody is switching to robots. And it is the most annoying when everything is just online and you have to pick on the websites between questions and you don't find yours and there is no number to call. However, with these kind of good data, you know, and voice covers, probably there will be cheap data as well, okay? That's what we need. We need cheaper data so everybody can use it, because when most of the companies will want to use it, because every company just wants to replace the humans, right, with robots. I'm not talking about the dystopian future, but that's what's happening. Everybody tries to automate everything for speed, for accuracy. Then obviously good quality data is becoming more and more important, cheaper, because it's going to be more. However, the quality will increase. It will go through the same thing as the technology inflation, okay? The technology inflation is what you got. For example, if you talk about an iPhone, okay, what an iPhone knew, the iPhone 4 for the, I don't know, $1,000 for more or less the same price in value back then, and what the iPhone 15 knows for more or less the same value as the iPhone did. So it's called technology inflation. It means that the technology is going up, okay, and you will get more and more for your money. And that is what will happen with data as well. There will be a point where nobody will focus anymore on this, because we will have enough data to incorporate everywhere. However, we are not there yet. We are actually at the beginning. And if you want to enter beta, I don't know if you can. I will try. Invitation code. Okay, I don't have an invitation code, so I can't really do that. However, if I find it, then we will see. Now, let's just check a bit on the app. It says that you have a profile. Can I zoom in here? Yes. Instructions, what was said. Okay. This is how you validate, probably. Audio production, image classification, probably you have some avatars, obviously, and yeah, there are some ratings of the samples, I would think. And of course you have the wallet, because you will get paid for what you did, either providing samples or validating them. You need to listen to the voice memo and you need to say it back in order to make sure that the quality is good enough. So this is what TaDa will do. They will be on the xLaunchpad sometimes. I don't know when, because if you check on the Launchpad, Hatom is still the main tenant here, but probably it will be updated in the next couple of weeks or months. I have no idea. I'm really looking forward to it, and I do hope that it's not gonna happen in 6 months, because we are in a bull run and we need the gains. Now everything is gonna heat up, and I do hope that we will see Ride or Ethereum type of gains with the new launches. Thanks for watching, and hit the like if you like the comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm coming back with another video soon this week.